Hi, my name is Claire McWilliams and I am running for President for Sport at the University of Aberdeen. I'm running for President for Sport because I love sport, I love playing sport and I love watching sport, and I've been involved in sport at the university since 2007. I also think I would do a good job. This year I was the President of the Women's Hockey Club and enjoyed a good amount of success. Not only will the club end the year in a much better financial state than it was last year, this year we enjoyed record numbers of members because I increased the number of competing teams. In addition, we enjoyed record-breaking success on the pitch, ending the year in the highest place in the National Leagues than we ever have since we joined them. And we also got promoted to the top tier for hockey in Bucks. So this is the kind of success that I'm capable of. It's the kind of success that I will do everything to achieve, and it's the kind of success I'm hoping to replicate in the sports union as your president for sport. So don't be silly.